Welcome to NutriLiv. In this video, I'll walk you through the onboarding process step by step. The survey you're about to complete is what makes NutriLiv so powerful. Every answer helps the app build a meal plan that's truly personalized to you. It takes about 5 minutes, and the more accurate you are, the better your results will be. And don't worry, anything you enter during the survey can be updated later in the settings menu. So there's no pressure to get everything perfect right now. Let's get started. First, you'll see our consent screen. This explains what information NutriLiv will collect during the survey and how it's used. The short version, we only use your health information to create your personalized meal plan. We will never sell or share it for advertising purposes. You can view our full privacy policy here if you'd like. Tap Agree to continue. Next, NutriLiv asks why you're here. You have 3 options: to help fight an active cancer diagnosis, to reduce the risk of recurrence if you've been through treatment, or to help prevent cancer if you've never had it. For this walkthrough, I'm selecting Help Me Fight Cancer. Now you'll select the type of cancer you were diagnosed with. Just scroll through the list and tap yours. After selecting your cancer type, you'll have the option to choose your specific subtype. If you know it, enter it here. This helps NutriLiv be more precise with ingredient exclusions and optimization. If you don't know your subtype or prefer not to enter it, you can skip this step. The app will still personalize your plan based on the general cancer type. Also, you can enter that information later. After entering your diagnosis, you'll see your first exclusion notification. This is one of the most important things NutriLiv does for you. Based on your specific diagnosis, the app identifies ingredients that could be problematic or potentially harmful and removes them from your meal plan automatically. The dialog explains why these foods are being excluded and shows you the full list. I'll scroll through so you can see an example. Next, select all treatments you're currently receiving. You can choose as many as apply. I'm selecting chemotherapy for this walkthrough. If you selected chemotherapy or other medication-based treatments, you'll have the option to enter your specific medication. This is optional, but entering it allows NutriLiv to be even more precise with ingredient exclusions. Some foods can interact with specific drugs, and this is how the app catches that. Just like with your diagnosis, you'll see another exclusion notification based on your treatment. This explains which additional ingredients are being excluded because of your specific medications and why. Again, I'll scroll through so you can see how it works. This is a unique feature. Research shows that cancer cells depend heavily on specific fuel sources to grow. NutriLiv can prioritize ingredients that have evidence of blocking these pathways. You have 3 options: glutamine, glucose, and fatty acids. You can select any combination or all 3. If you'd rather not include this, just tap No Thanks. Next, NutriLiv asks for your gender. This helps the app accurately estimate your total daily energy expenditure. Essentially, how many calories your body needs each day. You can select female, male, or prefer not to say, though providing this helps us be more accurate with your caloric targets. Enter your current age. Along with your other information, this helps NutriLiv calculate your caloric needs as accurately as possible. Are you looking to gain, lose, or maintain weight? Your answer here helps NutriLiv optimize your daily calorie targets to support your goal. Enter your height and your current weight. Together with your height, age, and gender, this gives NutriLiv everything it needs to calculate your daily caloric requirements. Great, now that NutriLiv understands your diagnosis, treatment, and body, let's move into your diet preferences. This screen asks if you're experiencing any side effects that affect your ability to eat. Depending on what you select, NutriLiv will exclude ingredients that could make those side effects worse. One important note here: only select side effects that you're persistently experiencing. Side effect exclusions can remove a significant number of ingredients, many of which could be beneficial to you. So if a side effect is temporary or occasional, it's better to leave it unchecked for now. Of course, if your side effects change over time, you can always update this in settings to unlock those ingredients and open up more recipes options. Choose the diet plan that fits your lifestyle. Your options are Mediterranean, pescatarian, keto, vegetarian, balanced, or vegan. After you select one, you'll see a summary that describes what that plan includes so you can confirm it's the right fit for you. Your meal plan will include recipes aligned with this preference. So if you select vegan, for example, you'll never see a meat dish. Now choose which meals you'd like included in your daily plan. You can select any combination of breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, tea, and anti-cancer wellness shots. If you eliminate a full meal, say you skip breakfast, NutriLiv shifts those calories to your remaining meals. This is especially useful if you practice intermittent fasting or have a restricted feeding window. If you selected tea, you'll be asked whether you prefer caffeinated or caffeine-free. NutriLiv can include evidence-based nutritional supplement recommendations personalized for your cancer type and treatment. If you opt in, the app will suggest up to 4 supplements that have evidence of being compatible with your specific situation. Of course, always discuss any supplements with your medical team before taking them. And even beyond these recommendations, NutriLiv has a full catalog of supplements you can add to your plan and track over time. If you have any food allergies, select them here. NutriLiv will automatically exclude all ingredients associated with your allergy. In this example, I'm selecting one, so you can see the exclusion notification. This is where you can tell NutriLiv about any ingredients you simply don't like. There's a list of common dislikes, so you can tap to add, or you can use the search bar to find any specific ingredient. Anything you add here will never appear in your recipes. If you're not picky, just tap I like everything at the bottom and keep moving. If you have favorite cuisines, select them here and NutriLiv will optimize your meal plan around those preferences. If you don't have a preference, tap I like everything. The app will focus on recommending recipes that maximize anti-cancer benefit based on your survey responses. How well stocked is your kitchen? This sets your pantry level. Basically, what ingredients you already have on hand that you don't need to shop for. Your options range from empty to well-stocked, which means you have a wide variety of oil, spices, seasonings, and herbs ready to go. After completing the survey, you can further customize your pantry list to make sure your grocery list only includes what you actually need to buy. How much time and energy do you have for cooking? Quick and easy keeps recipes to about 30 minutes or less. Moderate allows recipes up to around 40 minutes, and no limits removes the time constraint entirely, giving NutriLiv the full recipe catalog to work with. This is about how much variety you want during the week, and it directly affects how often you'll need to cook. If you select I'm fine eating the same meals most days, you'll only cook about 3 days a week and enjoy leftovers the other 4. The middle option flips that to 4 cooked days and 3 leftover days. And if you want maximum variety, you'll be cooking most nights with fewer leftovers. Choose what fits your energy level and schedule. How many people are you feeding each meal? NutriLiv will scale every recipe, the ingredients, the portions, and the grocery list, so you're cooking enough for your entire household. This screen lets you fine-tune your meal plan priorities. You can adjust the emphasis across 3 areas, maximizing anti-cancer ingredients, including ingredients with evidence of reducing side effects and improving treatment efficacy, and prioritizing ingredients that target the metabolic pathways you selected earlier. Adjusting these sliders changes how the algorithm selects and ranks recipes for your plan. NutriLiv will ask if you'd like to keep reminders turned on. I'd strongly recommend it. These aren't promotional notifications. They're practical alerts to help you stay on track with your meal plan. For example, if tomorrow's dinner uses frozen protein, you'll get a thaw reminder. If a recipe uses a slow cooker, you'll be reminded to start it in the morning. If there's overnight prep like soaking oats or chia seeds, you'll know the night before. And if your grocery shopping is split across the week, the app will remind you when it's time for that second trip. And that's the last question. NutriLiv will now take everything you've entered and build your personalized meal plan. Once it's ready, you'll see a confirmation screen with a summary of the benefits your plan includes. If you haven't already created an account and selected your subscription, the app will walk you through that now. But in this video, we're skipping right to the presentation of terms and conditions. Take a moment to review them, and then accept to continue. Finally, choose the day you'd like your meal plan to start. One recommendation: Make sure it's a day where you'll have already completed your grocery shopping. Your meal plan generates a grocery list, so you want to shop before your start date so everything is ready to go. And that's it. You're all set. Your personalized anti-cancer meal plan is ready, and every recipe in it has been built around your diagnosis, your treatment, your preferences, and your lifestyle. If you ever need to update any of your survey responses, you can do that anytime in Settings. Thanks for watching, and welcome to NutriLiv.